Assalamualaikum and very good morning all everyone. I am here to present a mini technical project. Our group will present is a comparison of chainsaw from three brands: Steel, Echo and Husqvarna. Prepare for Puan Fazila binti Muhammad Yusof. Prepare by Muhammad Fakhrul Amin bin Bakar, Fakhrul Adli bin Muhammad Tajuddin, Muhammad Adik Muhammad bin Mansur, and I, Muhammad Amin Hisham bin Noh Bahrain. This item is sold at such as DIY shop, machine shop, supermarket, and then more. Comparison of chainsaw of the three brands: Steel, Echo and Husqvarna. On the right, this is a Steel chainsaw. On the left, this is a Husqvarna chainsaw. On the middle, this is a Echo chainsaw. Background information of the chainsaw. A group weather is required by our management to do a report of comparison of the three different chainsaw from the three brands. Firstly, Echo chainsaw, secondly, Husqvarna chainsaw, and lastly, Steel chainsaw. Background of the chainsaw. A chainsaw is a portable mechanical saw which cuts with a set of the teeth attached to a rotating chain that runs along a guard bar. It is used in activities such as tree felling, limbing, barking, pruning, cutting firewood in woodland, fire suppression, and harvesting of firewood. Chainsaw with specially designed bar and chain combination have been developed as tools for use in chainsaw art and chainsaw mill. These specialist chainsaws are used for cutting concrete during construction development. Chainsaws are sometimes used for cutting ice, for example ice sculpture and winter swimming in Finland. Someone who uses a saw is a sawyer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adik Muhammad bin Mansur. About page 5, background of problem. The main problem to push new chainsaw machine because the chainsaw which in the department was heavy and difficult to control the notice. Therefore, we need to replace with a chainsaw that very light and easy to maintain. Okay, about page 6, objective. The objective of this report is find the best of chainsaw in terms of quality, price, weight, power, warranty, and noise from the suppliers. And page 7, methodology. The method of methodology is doing of a survey by collecting from the internet. This is website, and a comparison is made. Then calculation and recommended is preparation.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakhrul Adli bin Muhammad Tajuddin. Okay, today I would like to present about my part of the assignment mini technical project. Okay, first of all, I would like to present about our findings. The first equipment of the chainsaw is the chainsaw steel. The advantage of the chainsaw steel is the Firstly, advantage of the chainsaw steel is easy to operate, source for domestic use. Secondly, two types of starter, which is you can use to either cold or hot. Thirdly, supply of economic oil for lubrication. Fourthly, presence of device to stabilize the engine. And the last is easy to pack if replacement of accessories or consumables is required. Okay, this is the advantage of the chainsaw steel. Okay, the quotation of the chainsaw steel is, the price of the chainsaw steel is RM 575. The horsepower is 1500 watt or 2 horsepower. Wheel size is the 350 millimeter. The noise dB is the 110 dB, and the weight of the chainsaw steel is 3.9 kg. The warranty of the chainsaw steel is longer. Warranty is 6 months. Okay, we go to the second slide of my part. Okay, the secondly equipment of the chainsaw is chainsaw eco. The advantage of the chainsaw eco, the firstly advantage is the maintenance facilities. For the whole operation of this unit, enough to clean the filter regularly to refill the oil. The people who is regularly use the chainsaw can use the chainsaw eco, because this is long term. The possibility of a cool hot start, fuel stimulation function, and fourthly, wood dust filter. You can use chainsaw eco because this wood dust filter. And the last, rust protection. The steel of the chainsaw eco have the rust protection. You can use the chainsaw eco the long term because the chainsaw eco have the rust protection. Okay, the quotation of the chainsaw eco is price. The chainsaw eco of the chainsaw eco is RM 959. The horsepower of the chainsaw eco is 1418 watt or 2.01 horsepower. Wheel size of the chainsaw eco 350 millimeter. Noise dB of the chainsaw eco is 110 dB. Weight 3.6 kilogram, and the warranty same the chainsaw steel, same warranty 6 months, so longer you can use. Okay, go to the thirdly slide of my part, and the last my equipment. Okay, the last equipment of the chainsaw is chainsaw Husqvarna. Okay, the advantage of the chainsaw Husqvarna, firstly, optimize supplies. Secondly, ergonomic design. Thirdly, implementation of high quality materials that can withstand temperature change and cannot be adapted to deformation. The people who which is new use the chainsaw Husqvarna, you can use the chainsaw Husqvarna because the chainsaw Husqvarna easy to use. because the ergonomic design. The quotation of the chainsaw Husqvarna is the price. The chainsaw price of the chainsaw Husqvarna is RM 718. Horsepower 1600 watt or 2.2 horsepower. Wheel size is 350 millimeter. Noise dB 140 dB. Weight of the chainsaw Husqvarna is 4.2 kg. And the warranty is the chainsaw Husqvarna 3 months. Okay, we go to last slide of my part. Okay, this is a summary of chainsaw that I had explained early, so you can make a comparison of the chainsaw, like Stihl, Eco, Husqvarna, and the price of the Stihl 575, Eco RM 959, and the Husqvarna RM 718. The power comparison, the power of this chainsaw, the brand chainsaw, Stihl 1500 watt or 2 horsepower, and the Eco, power of Eco 1418 watt or 2.01 horsepower, and the Husqvarna 1600 watt or 2.2 horsepower. The comparison or noise is the Stihl 110 dB, Eco Safe 110 dB, and the Husqvarna 140 dB. The weight, the comparison weight, the Stihl is 3.9 kg, and the Eco 3.6 kg, and the Husqvarna 4 and 2 kg. And the warranty, the comparison of warranty is a Stihl 6 months, Eco 6 months, and Husqvarna 6 months. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fakur Amin bin Bakar from ACT 2A. Today I'm going to present about finding, conclusion, and recommendation of 3 brand chainsaw. We going to the first topic is finding. It will found the price of chainsaw Stihl is 575 ringgit, and chainsaw Eco is 959 ringgit, and chainsaw Husqvarna is 718 ringgit. The power of chainsaw Stihl is 1500 watt, 2 horsepower, and chainsaw Eco is 1418 watt, 2.01 horsepower, and chainsaw Husqvarna is 1600 watt with 2.2 horsepower. The weight of chainsaw Stihl is 3.9 kg, and chainsaw Eco is 3.6 kg, and chainsaw Husqvarna is 4.2 kg. The warranty of chainsaw Stihl and Eco is 6 months, and chainsaw Husqvarna is 3 months. And the noise of chainsaw Stihl and chainsaw Eco is 110 dB, and chainsaw Husqvarna is 114 dB. We going to next topic is conclusion. It concluded that the most powerful chainsaw is Husqvarna with 1600 watt and 2.2 horsepower. The noise chainsaw is Husqvarna brand. The lowest price is chainsaw Stihl and chainsaw. Next topic is conclusion. It is concluded that the most powerful
chainsaw is Husqvarna brand with 1600 watt, 2.2 horsepower. The noisiest chainsaw is Husqvarna brand with 114 dB. The lowest price is Steel brand with 575 ringgit. Steel and Eco brand have the same warranty. It is 6 months. The latest chainsaw is Eco brand with 3.6 kg. The best chainsaw to use in mechanical workshop is chainsaw Steel because the lowest price than other brand, longer warranty, high quality and medium weight. The last topic is recommendation. It is recommended that chainsaw Steel to be used in workshop because it the best of the high quality, cheapest price, medium weight, and the longer warranty offered by Chainsaw Steel brand. That's all I want to present today. Thank you to my friend, my lecturer for supporting me, and have a good day. Assalamualaikum.